Japan has long been known for its ancient traditions and philosophies that have shaped the country's culture and way of life. One such philosophy that has gained worldwide recognition is Kaizen. In this video, we will explore the principles of Kaizen and how they can be applied to our daily lives. In Japanese, Kaizen means change for the better or continuous improvement. It is a philosophy that emphasizes the need for constant, incremental improvements in all aspects of life. Kaizen is rooted in the Japanese work culture, where the concept of constant improvement is seen as essential to achieving success. The philosophy of Kaizen was first applied in the manufacturing industry in Japan after World War II, where it played a significant role in the country's economic growth. The idea was to improve the efficiency of production by identifying and eliminating waste, improving processes, and empowering employees to participate in the improvement process. The goal of Kaizen is to make small changes over a period of time to create improvements within a company. That doesn't mean alterations happen slowly. The Kaizen process simply recognizes that small changes now can have huge impacts in the future. Improvements can come from any employee at any time. The idea is that everyone has a stake in the company's success and everyone should strive, at all times, to help make the business model better. Many companies have adopted the Kaizen concept. Most notably, Toyota, the world's most successful automotive brand ever. Toyota employs the Kaizen meaning and philosophy within its organization. It esteems Kaizen as one of its core values. To improve its production system, Toyota encourages and empowers all employees to identify areas of potential improvement and create viable solutions. Today, Kaizen has been embraced by individuals and organizations worldwide. The philosophy encourages individuals to focus on continuous self-improvement, no matter how small the steps are. It is believed that by making small improvements every day, we can achieve significant results over time. The Kaizen philosophy can be applied to all aspects of life, from personal health and fitness to career and relationships. By setting small, achievable goals and consistently working towards them, we can gradually improve our lives and achieve our goals. Kaizen also emphasizes the importance of mindfulness and self-reflection. It encourages individuals to take the time to reflect on their progress and identify areas for improvement. In the workplace, Kaizen encourages employees to participate in the improvement process by identifying areas for improvement and suggesting solutions. This helps to create a culture of continuous improvement and empowers employees to take ownership of their work. To recognize the contributions of employees towards the improvement process, organizations often award certificates to individuals who have made significant contributions towards achieving the organization's goals. The philosophy of Kaizen emphasizes the importance of teamwork and collaboration. By working together towards a common goal, we can achieve greater success than by working alone. In conclusion, Kaizen is a powerful philosophy that can help us achieve continuous improvement in all aspects of our lives. By focusing on small, incremental improvements every day, we can make significant progress towards our goals. Thanks for watching.